In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for LinkedIn profiles, a step-by-step guide. We'll start by choosing the right model for the job. At the very top of your chat window, use the model dropdown to match your task to the proper tier. Keep it on the instant tier when you need fast, lightweight help. It's great for quick connection requests, tidying grammar in job entries, formatting skill lists, or drafting short post commentary, the kinds of tasks where speed matters more than deep reasoning. Switch to the thinking tier when you're doing a full profile overhaul. This version excels at complex reasoning like reverse engineering target job criteria, shaping punchy, high retention headlines, and writing narrative driven summaries that position you as an expert. In short, instant for production sprints, thinking for strategic branding. Next, upgrade your headline using a dual impact headline architect prompt. Your headline follows you across LinkedIn and drives both discoverability and clicks, so ditch the generic role at company. Ask ChatGPT to act as an executive recruiter, personal branding specialist, and LinkedIn optimization expert. Request 3 headline variations under 220 characters and specify the structure. Target job title or core role, followed by 2 high impact keywords, then a concise metric driven value statement that shows the problem you solve. Include your niche and tell it to avoid buzzwords like passionate, guru, or motivated. Aim for clarity, keywords your audience actually searches, and a tangible outcome. Now turn your About section into a narrative, not a resume. Prompt ChatGPT to act as a professional copywriter and career advisor. Share your specialization and ask for 4 short modules with clean line breaks. The hook that spotlights the core problem you solve. The core expertise that explains your journey and philosophy. The proof that highlights where you create impact and typical results, and the call to action that invites networking or project inquiries. Keep the tone authentic, direct, and conversational, and feed it real projects, tools, industries, and outcomes for stronger credibility. Finally, transform your experience with a star-based approach. Paste your raw responsibilities and ask ChatGPT as a technical resume editor and talent analyst to convert them into 3 metrics-focused bullet points using situation, task, action, and result. Each point should start with a strong verb, emphasize tools and workflows, and include placeholders for percentages or metrics you'll fill in later. Prioritize accuracy, scope, and quantifiable impact. Use these prompts, switch tiers as needed, and refine the outputs to reflect your voice. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you guys on the